Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles here. Locate the power saving toggle, which for me is right over here, and once you see it, you can just simply tap on it and it gets automatically enabled. And we'll do a couple things in the background, which I believe we can view by holding this, and we have just info about it right over here. When it's disabled, you can also toggle some of these off if you don't like some of them. Maybe you want to have 5G always, so you can turn that off if you don't like the change. Well, there we go. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.